Our 10th episode is about a girl named Macy. She is working in an outsourcing company. There is someone inside the office that is annoying her, and it is Amora. She is gossipy and stubborn, but she is good at work, so she is a favorite of their bosses. Steve likes Macy to be his girlfriend, and he works at the same company. He also knows about Amora. Steve and Macy are friends, but Macy doesn't want to have a boyfriend at the moment, even though she and her ex-boyfriend broke up a long time ago. Steve has an idea to make friends with Amora, although he doesn't like her either. Steve researched her skills and abilities, and he looked for a job that would suit Amora. He also researched where she lived. He found out that she lived a bit far from the office and more than an hour of travel. He saw a job posting near her place and the same as she does at work, and the salary is great. He told Amora to apply for the job position that he saw online, and she applied and got hired. Steve makes sure that their next office mate is kind, hardworking, and not gossipy. He told their boss if he can refer a friend to Amora's position because she has a new job and leaving the company in the next few days, and his boss agreed. Steve knows someone that needs a job, and she's Donna. She's married, kind, hardworking, a private person, and a friend of his sister. Macy is very happy about their new office mate, and she thanked Steve for doing that. So, Steve and Macy became close friends and eventually became a couple.